In this video, I will compare the Nebroo Infinity OTC hearing aids against popular alternatives, like Apple AirPods, to see which performs better for daily hearing support. When we look at these side by side, the contrast in sound quality is immediate. While AirPods tend to amplify everything indiscriminately, making walking through gravel or opening a candy bar painfully loud, the Nebroo units offer a much more natural sound profile. One of the biggest trade-offs with high-end earbuds is the complex software. Users often find the iPhone control app difficult to navigate. In contrast, the Nebroo Infinity stands out for its simplicity, featuring 4 tuned presets for quiet, restaurant, outdoor, and movie environments. Despite being marketed heavily on social media, which can be a red flag, these devices actually excel at locking onto voices and pushing them to the foreground. However, there is a specific drawback to consider. They are susceptible to interference. Some users report an annoying clicking sound, similar to a Geiger counter, when used in hospitals or schools near heavy electronic equipment. For around $200, the standout feature is the power, as users with moderate loss often find they only need to use the 3rd or 4th volume level out of 6. If you work in a high-tech environment like a dialysis clinic, you might want to look elsewhere, but for social settings like noisy bars, these are a clear winner. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you prefer OTC devices or professional audiologist models.